Today is April 20 something. Hang on. Let me take a quick peek. It's the 25th. And I just want to show Sydney how good he's doing. Look at that breathing. His breathing is so much better. I think he's sniffing right now because the window's open and there's fresh air. So he's doing some sniffing, but his breathing is good. It's been really good. Sydney's been doing great. Yeah. Sydney's doing wonderfully. So, we're just seeing how good he's doing. Right, Sydney? Sydney, want to do the thing where you look up at the camera? Yep, that's my Sydney, and he's doing good. He's enjoying the nice spring weather. It's beautiful. It's in the 70s today, which is probably kind of unusual for April. See you later, Sydney. We'll see you later, Sid. Sid? See you later.